Hey there, I'm Robbie with Delta Millworks. I'm here with Baker. We're here in Austin, Texas at our factory. Today we're going to be talking about Western Red Cedar. Western Red Cedar has really been a staple in the wood industry and with exterior woods for centuries now. We're going to really talk about the different grades, where it comes from, its sustainability factor, and then look at some of our finished products here. This comes from Canada, out of very well-managed forests. Canada has been managing these forests for well over 100 years, and they do it really well. Every year, less than 1% of the standing trees are cut down. It's actually 1/3 of 1%. So it's a very, very small percentage of the wood that's actually harvested every year. When they cut down one tree, they're required by law to plant at least 3 seedlings. Since 1970, the Canadian forests have grown by 20%. Their forests were being cut down at an unsustainable rate, as were forests all over the world, unfortunately. But with how they manage their forests and setting laws in place, by the 60s and 70s, they were really turning that around. So their forests are getting bigger, and about 200 million new seedlings are planted every year.
It's been the gold standard for exterior siding in North America for well over 100 years. It's extremely versatile. We're looking at, across the stable here, 3 different grades of cedar. We've got clear VG, we've got clear mixed grain, and then we've got a piece of SDK here. It's tried and true, and everybody knows it's going to perform well, and it takes finishes beautifully. And some of the grain patterns are second to none. We've got one of the most beautiful pieces of mixed grain cedar right there in front of us. It's amazing to work with. It's very, very consistent, and our guys just love it when a Western Red Cedar order comes through the pipe.
It's the godfather of exterior woods.
Absolutely.
So, talking about some of the grades and products here, grading and quality and understanding the characteristics of Western Red Cedar is very important. Not all cedar is created equally. Where these trees grow is very important. We work with a high grade of inland knotty cedar, so these knots are going to remain sound and stable, and they won't fall out. With lower grades of cedar, you can see loose knots. They may have a black ring around them. If you see a black ring, that means that knot's going to fall out at some point. You really want to make sure it's from a trusted supplier and a high quality. We've seen issues not just with the grading or knots, but with moisture content. Sometimes drying the wood is not what it should be. All of our products vary in color, so depending on the product or species, in this case Western Red, we want to set the expectations that there will be some color variation. Here's a piece of clear vertical grain cedar. You can see some of the color variation from board to board. We think that's beautiful. That's why we want to use wood, because of the natural variation. It's a natural product. Every piece is different.
Another thing I'll mention here is that we've got these clear grades of cedar. The vertical grain is going to be all vertical, like you're seeing in these 2 pieces over here. The mixed grain is just that. It's a mixed grade. It's a mixed grain. So you're going to see a mix of vertical and cathedral type grains within an order, and even within a single piece of wood.
So most of these products we're looking at here on the table are exterior siding products. We also do a lot of interior walls and ceilings, and also exterior soffits. We can also do the full trim packages for fascia board and any door and window trim. In terms of where this wood can be used, it's very durable. It comes from a harsh environment. Usually when woods come from a harsh environment, they're well suited for harsh environments.
Western Red Cedar makes an excellent decking product. And again, you can use it coast to coast anywhere for siding. You can use all over the continent, and it makes up one of our top 3 best sellers. It's been a great product to us.
A couple considerations with any wood product: you want to install it properly. You also want to acclimate these products. They are kiln dried, they're high performing, but especially in dry climates, you want to make sure that they reach an equilibrium moisture content in your environment. That acclimation process could take a week, 2 weeks, but it's very important to stabilize the wood and reach an equilibrium in the moisture of the wood. If Western Red Cedar's a wood product that you're considering using, please give us a call. We know a lot about it. We've been working with it for years, and we'll help you make the right decision on your material here.